What's up YouTube? So in today's video I will be unboxing my new taillights that I got from Spyder. They're the same company that made the Raxium Vector taillights for the 05 to 09 Mustangs. This is the box right here. It just came in today. So I got off work and it was here. I went with the smoked clear taillights and let's just get straight into it and unbox it. So when I was saying that it was made by the same company, if you look at it right here, the box says Spyder, right? But the paper inside says Raxium. So the main reason I bought these taillights was because so many people have been wanting the Raxium taillights to come back out again, and they haven't. And this came up recently on eBay and Amazon, and I wanted to purchase them so I can show people that it's literally the exact same thing, or it should be, at least that's to my belief. It should be the same thing. And so let me unbox them and actually compare them, since I've owned a set already. Alright y'all, these are literally the exact same taillights. These are going to look so sick on the Shelby. Okay. So these are from, I forgot exactly where. I'll put the link. I bought mine on eBay. The reason I bought mine on eBay is because on Amazon you don't have the option of buying warranty. Through eBay you can get warranty, and it's like an extra 25 bucks. And if it stops working, if you drop them, if something happens to them, the warranty covers it, so that they'll send you a new set if they can't fix it, or if you don't want a new set, they'll reimburse you your money. And so it's a win-win basically. And on top of that, Raxium used to sell these on American Muscle for $450. You can buy them right now. I paid, before tax, it was, I think, $275, $280 around there, which is a lot less. That's basically close to half. Really close to half. That's what, 50 bucks more than half, around there. I do not want to wait any longer. I want to see these on the car. I'm going to go show you guys a before and after. I'll show you guys how it looks at night with the stock ones on, as well as turn signals and hazards on, and then I'll show you guys how they look with the vectors on. And that'll basically be it for this video. It's one of the biggest aesthetic changes I wanted to do to the Snake. I also have a smoked third brake light. I won't be putting that on today. And then I have smoked turn signals for the front. So literally every single light on the car will be smoked. The fog lights are smoked. The headlights are smoked. The turn signals I have are smoked. The side markers are smoked. And now these, so everything will be clear and smoked. And that's what I was looking for, since the car's white. And let's go ahead and put these on. Alright y'all, so it is dark as it is just really dark outside right now. It's, what time is it? It's about to be 11 o'clock at night right now, and I'm gonna install my vectors. Honestly, I've been wanting to buy these for so long. I'm so happy that a company finally decided to make them. Well, that Spyder decided to re-release them again. Yeah, it's really dark, so I know it's kind of hard to see me, but Hopefully you can see the snake, and here are the vectors right here. So yeah, I'm going to put them on right now. The plan is just putting them on where the car is, and hopefully my phone is enough light. It looks like it's enough light for you guys to actually see. I already have 2 install videos for tail lights, so I don't really have to go into specifics on how to do it. I'm just going to show you guys the before and after. But for those, if you're watching it for the first time, the only thing you need is a 11mm wrench, and that's, or socket, either one works. And then there's 3 nuts on each tail light that you take off after you take off the plastic cover, and that'll be it. If not, I'll show you guys the I'll link one of the other 2 videos below, in case you guys want a more detailed one. And let's just go ahead and show you guys the before and after. Well, actually, one of my tail lights isn't working. I'll go ahead and put the hazards on. So you can tell the one on the left side is missing one, but you get the idea. Basically, it would work like that. Or that one's missing one. And now let's go ahead and put the vectors on. Alright y'all, so the vectors are on. This is how they look when they're actually off. It's crazy how much the difference it made from before. Here, let me turn them on real quick. I'll just turn them on from the car. But yeah, that's basically how they look. They look just as my other ones did on the 3 valve. But I don't know, it's something about the clear smoked ones that look so much better on this. And then this is how they would look with the hazards on. And they're both fully sequential, which is pretty badass. Let me turn them off real quick. But yeah, this is just how they look. Here, let me turn them off real quick. So, very good. Install is done. Super quick. That's too bright. Let me just turn on the phone. Alright, so install is done. As you guys saw, it's still super dark. Right now it is 11:30. It took less than that. I was just checking everything out off camera while I was doing it. But they look great. It's kind of hard to see now. But it is missing a few things, but that'll come, in time. It took a while to find these. I'm so glad that Spyder decided to release these again. But if you want a set of these, I'll drop, like I said earlier, I'll drop the link for both Amazon and for eBay. But I would prefer eBay just because you can get the warranty. Versus on Amazon you can't, or at least I didn't see an option to. That's why I bought it on eBay. But if you're able to find a warranty on Amazon, then I would go with that, or eBay. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys like the vectors on the snake. I personally think the smoked clear look is way better than the red diffuser look from the stockish looking taillights for the SY50. You guys can go ahead, drop a comment. Let me know if you prefer the clear ones that I have now or the red ones that I used to have on the 3-valve. And if you're interested or if you're hyped that they're back, just go ahead and drop a huge like. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.